Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be giving you a quick guided tour of Avada. For more in-depth information about each topic covered, please refer to our documentation archives. Before we begin, please note that this video assumes you already have Avada and the included plugins installed. When you first install Avada, you will be redirected to our welcome screen, which consists of several tabs that allow you to register your product, access our support center, install demos, manage your plugins, and check your system status. As you can see here on the Install Demos tab, Avada allows you to deeply customize your site using a network of options called Fusion Theme Options, Fusion Page Options, and the Fusion Builder, which holds all of our shortcodes. Each of these demos were created entirely out of our options framework, and you can quickly import them with a single click. These options all work together and allow you to build amazing designs without any coding knowledge. Let's give you a brief overview of each area. Let's start with the Fusion Theme Options, which are located under the Avada tab here. There are numerous options neatly organized into tabs for easy access. As an example, let's take a look at the Logo tab. Here you can upload your custom logo and also set unique logos for various locations. Let's upload our default logo, which will be used throughout the website. Don't forget to save all your changes to apply them. Please note that many of the Fusion theme options are global options, which means they will affect your entire website. To control pages or posts individually, you can use the Fusion Page Options. Fusion Page Options can be found inside of any page or post you create. Let's create a new page to demonstrate. To create a new page, go to Pages section in your admin sidebar, click Add New, and give it a title. On the right side, you will also find the Page Attributes box, where you can set a template design for the page, such as the portfolio page. Below the editing field are the Fusion Page Options organized into tabs. These options will only affect the individual page or post you are using them on. For example, let's go to the Background tab and set the layout option to boxed. When you're done editing the page, click Save Draft or Publish. Now this particular page will be set to boxed mode. If you want to set all pages to boxed mode, then you will do so in the Fusion Theme Options area. Remember, Fusion Page Options only work for the individual page or post, while the Fusion Theme Options are global for every page or post. Now let's show you the Fusion Builder, which can also be used on any page or post. To activate it, click the Fusion Builder button here. Fusion Builder has 4 different tabs. The Column Options tab lets you add columns to the page, while the Builder Elements tab contains the shortcodes. There's also the Custom Templates tab that lets you save and load templates you've created. And finally, the Pre-Built Templates tab, which lets you load any of Avada's pre-made templates. Let's take a closer look at shortcodes by adding a blog shortcode. Simply click the element to add it to the page, or drag it into the page editor field. To edit the shortcode, click the Edit Element button up here, which will bring up the Options page. These options will only apply to this one instance of the blog shortcode. Any options that is set to default, such as this, means it picks up the global options set in the Fusion Theme Options. If you do not want to use the global theme options, simply choose a setting other than default. Once you've finished editing the shortcode, click Save. To view the front end of the page, click Preview up here. Now let's look at blog posts. To create a new blog post, go to Posts and select Add New. Give it a title and write your content. You can add categories here and tags here. Each blog post can have a featured image, which you can set right here. If you upload more than one, the images will automatically turn into a slideshow. You can also make the featured spot a video, by adding the video in the Fusion page options below the editing field. Here, you can set various options as well. When you're finished, click Save Draft or Publish. Next, we'll cover our portfolio section. To create a new portfolio post, go to Portfolio and select Add New. Add a title and write a brief description of your portfolio piece. Add categories here and skill tags here. Like blog posts, each portfolio post can have a featured image or set of images in the slideshow. Portfolio posts can also have videos and other options set here in the Fusion page options box. When you're finished, click Save Draft or Publish. Please be aware that blog and portfolio posts only display on a dedicated blog, portfolio page, or when you use their individual shortcodes that automatically pull posts. Please refer to our documentation for instructions on how to set those up. Next is the menu section. All menus are created and maintained in the menu section under the Appearance tab. Enter a name for your menu and click Create Menu. In addition, if you click the Screen Options tab in the upper right corner here, you can add additional lists. Let's add our blog posts list. You can now see the posts box over here on the left side. To add menu items, check the boxes here and click Add to Menu. If you wish all new pages to be added to this menu, then check this box. You can assign a location to a menu by checking the appropriate box here in the Theme Location section. When finished, click the Save Menu button. Lastly, let's look at sidebars, which are managed under the Sidebar section in the Appearance tab. You can assign sidebars to any page globally via the Fusion theme options or individually via the Fusion page options. To create a new sidebar, go to Appearance, click Sidebars, and click Add New Sidebar. Give it a name and click OK. You can assign widgets to a sidebar by going to the Widgets tab here. These are all your widgets, and these are all your sidebars and widget locations. To assign a widget, click your desired widget, select the widget location you'd like to add it to from the drop-down, then click Add Widget. Or you can simply drag them into the sidebars like so. You can also arrange widgets inside the sidebar by dragging them into place. This concludes our quick guided tour of Avada. Each of these topics and more are covered in depth in our online support center. If you have any questions, please sign up at our support center and submit a new ticket. Thank you for choosing Avada.